Ever wonder why your Bluetooth device rings differently from your phone? Here's how to make them match perfectly. Samsung give you a simple option to sync your ringtone between your phone and connected Bluetooth devices. So when someone calls, both play the same tone. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Tap Connection. Next, tap Bluetooth. Tap the three dot at the top right. Then tap Advanced Setting. Turn on Ringtone Sync. A pop-up appears to confirm your selection. Tap OK to continue. When this option is enabled, now your Bluetooth headset or speaker will use your phone's ringtone whenever a call comes in. And that's it. No more mismatched tone or confusion. Just one ringtone, no matter where the sound comes from. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.